Welcome to Tailor Lofts in Chicago, where your student accommodation transforms into a premium university experience. Choose from vibrant studios or cozy 2- and 4-bedroom apartments to enjoy an array of amenities that will make your stay unforgettable. Start your day with a power-packed workout at the in-house gym. Dive into studies in the computer lab with free blazing fast Wi-Fi. Or switch it up and shoot some pool with friends in the ecstatic game room. Don't worry about laundromat runs, as on-site laundry facilities are available for your convenience. From an on-site ATM to secure parking, you will have everything you need here. Also, the University of Illinois is a sweet stroll away, while Rush University is a short drive away too, so you'll never be late to class. Feeling adventurous? Catch a bus from Jackson and Racine, or take the subway from UIC Halstead Station for seamless transit. So, don't miss out on the fun. Book your room at Tailor Lofts in Chicago via amberstudent.com now.